What is in this pretty Gerardus bag? I don't know. Hi, I'm Daan and welcome to Cooking with Gerardus. This is our first episode and today we are making burritos. First, the guacamole. What we need? Some tomatoes. Don't need to chop them that fine. Some onions, red onions preferably. Avocado, of course. Some lime and salt and pepper. How will we make this? With one with vegetarian meat, which of course is no meat. This is made of chickpeas. This is normal meat. It's 50% pig's meat and 50% beef. We have some burrito seasoning mix, which we will add later to the meat. And this is up to you, but we have some mice and some black beans. You can add everything you like. We also have some red pepper. So, for the tortillas itself, you can do three things. You can put them in the oven, in the microwave, or in the pan. In the pan you just need to heat them for like 10 seconds. In the microwave, which we are going to do today, you put them all on the plate and just put them in for 1 minute. Dat was het, hou op.